warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zaitun. With student ID number 2400140886. I am for semester of English Education Department. So this video 6 month 12. Part E, comprehension question. Number one, uh, what is the primary purpose of the discussion section in a research report, and how does it differ from the findings section? My answer, the discussion section explain the meaning of the findings rather than merely presenting statistical result, while the findings section answer the question, what was found. The discussion section answer, what do the findings mean, and why did the findings occur. According to John V. Criswell and J. David Criswell, 20 and 22, the discussion section should interpret the result, explain whether the findings support the hypothesis, connect the result to relevant theories, and compare them with previous studies and discuss their implication. Okay, number two. Um, According to Criswell, 20. Okay, number two. According to Criswell, 20 and 18, what should researchers explain when discussing quantitative research findings? Okay, my answer. Similarly, Lawrence Joven, Lawrence Manion, and Kate Marison, 20 and 18, emphasize that quantitative discussion should move beyond statistical reporting and provide meaningful explanation of the results within a broader educational context. Number three, why is it important to connect research findings to relevant theories in the discussion section? Okay, my answer, number three, connecting findings to theory elevates your research from a local observation to a scholarly contribution, ensuring your work is taken seriously by the academic community. And then number four, explain the difference between discussing findings in qualitative, and mixed methods research. Okay, my answer. Quantitative research, the discussion focuses on interpreting statistical results and explain relationships between variables. And then qualitative research, the discussion focuses on interpreting them's pattern and meanings that emerge from the data. And the last, mixed methods research, the discussion integrates um, quantitative and qualitative findings to provide a more comprehensive understanding of the research problem. And number five, what role do private studies play in strengthening the discussion section? Okay, my answer. Private studies help strengthen the discussion by providing evidence for comparison. They allow researchers to identify similarities and differences between their findings and earlier research, which increase the credibility of the study and highlights its contribution to the file. And then part B, analytical question. Number 6, analyze the following statement. The post-test mean score increased from uh, 60 to 8 to after the implementation of podcast-based learning. Why is this statement infusion as a discussion paragraph? Rewrite it into a stranger discussion statement. Okay, maybe this summarize number one. Okay. The score increase show podcast-based learning improves comprehension by supporting flexible and engaging. And then number 7, in qualitative research, what is the second dance interpretation theory profit studies implication considered effective for organizing the discussion? Okay, um, my answer, the goal of qualitative discussion is not just to summarize but to transform data into knowledge. This sequence ensures that every claim made is rooted in evidence, evaluated by theory, and validated by comparison. Uh, and then number 8, explain how social learning theory Bandura 19 and 86 can be used to interpret student positive perception of TikTok videos in speaking classes. Okay, my answer maybe this summarize answer number 7, 8. Okay, social learning and theory TikTok basic on Albert Bandura, students learn by observing others, which increase confidence and motivation in speaking. And the last part C, application question. Suppose your research title is Students' Perception of Using Artificial Intelligence AI Tools in Learning English Writing. Okay, maybe just again. My answer, the findings that students hold a predominantly positive perception of AI tools and English writing indicates that this implication technology serve as a vital cognitive skill enable students AI tools in writing. Students view AI positively because it helps them write beyond their ability, supports learning confidence, and should be taught through AI literacy, not restriction. Okay, the last question. Suppose your mixer method study found that. Okay, TikTok mix methods discussion, higher speaking scores, and strategic confidence. How show TikTok improves both skill and motivation, making social media an effective low anxiety learning tools. Maybe just all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.